Hello and welcome everyone to Scan Tech Tips. My name is Scan. Today we are going to talk about virtual desktop. What is virtual desktop? Virtual desktop is a feature that we find in Windows 10 and 11. And what it does, it just creates multiple desktop for you, like a empty workspace. For let's suppose you are working on Excel. We are choosing Excel today. Now suddenly you have a call and you have to check your email. So what we are going to do, we are going to press and hold control and window key and then press D. This will open a new desktop, clean, and you can open your browser here. Now you can either open our email or YouTube. There's no harm of listening to any songs or enjoying video during work. Don't let your boss know it. Let's suppose I need one more desktop. I will do the same. I will press control and window key and then press C. Make sure you hold control and window key and then press C. Here I can open any games if I wish. You can play games and play music, anything you want, or you can open software you want to know. Like you can use your Facebook secretly. Let's see. So now how you will going to go back, all you have to do is hold down your control and windows key and then use arrow keys left and right. This will navigate in all your virtual desktop you have. And let's suppose you have done your job, now you want to close this. All you have to do is again press and hold windows and control button and now use F4 to close it. Okay, this is it. There we are. This is it all about virtual windows. If you want to check more about it, you can also check my first video here where I told you how you can improve your workflow. For this video, we are done here. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box, or if you want me to make any kind of video, you can drop it in there. If you like it, please press the like button and do press subscribe. See you all later in the next video. Have a good day.